Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to post a GIF to Threads post. So first you need to download the Gboard. So let's go to the Google Play Store, or if you are using iOS device, so go to the App Store and download this Gboard right here. And then once you've done downloading this application, so let's go back to Threads application. So here on Threads, if you want to create a post, you just tap this pen and paper icon at the bottom. And from here, tap on Start a Thread. And at the bottom, you'll find an emoji on the keyboard. So tap and hold that emoji right here. And then all you need to do is tap this GIF. And then you'll find all your choices right here. You can search what GIF you want to put on your thread. So for example, if you want to put some GIF, so all you need to do is copy and paste that here on your thread. Or you can go tap and hold that GIF and download that image and go to that clip icon and just select the GIF that we want to put on your thread. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.